Now we enter level 2, recovery protocols. Your book has been blocked. This is the boss battle. Don't panic. We have a step-by-step strategy to defeat this. Do not panic. Execute the following sequence precisely. Recovery is absolutely possible if you follow these protocols carefully and maintain composure. Let's break down each special move. Special move number 1, engage containment protocol. Here's the critical rule. Do not touch other books in your account. Focus exclusively on the block title. Do not modify other formats of the same book. Avoid any other changes to prevent cascading blocks. This is your first and most important move. Why? When Amazon blocks a book, their system is watching your account. If you start making changes to other books, you risk triggering additional blocks. The algorithm sees activity and gets more aggressive, so freeze everything except the blocked book. This is containment, this is damage control. Special move number 2, the diplomat's gambit. Use a professional response to reverse the decision. This is your email strategy. Draft a clear professional response. Use your ChatGPT companion to help write it. Explain why your book does not create a disappointing customer experience. Use Amazon's exact language. Emphasize your rigorous quality control process. Highlight any positive reviews if you have them. Request a manager or supervisor review specifically. Ask for specific details on the issues they identified. Show openness to making corrections if needed. Your tone matters enormously here. You're not arguing, you're not defensive, you're professional, respectful, and genuinely seeking to understand their concerns. This approach gets results. I've seen blocks reversed within 24 hours using this exact email template. The key is to trigger a human review. Most blocks are automated. Getting a real person to look at your book changes everything. If the email approach fails, here's the escape route. Archive and republish. This is a 3-step strategy. Step 1, archive. Take down the blocked book. Step 2, prepare, review and fix any potential issues. This is where you implement everything from level 1. Check your bonus content placement. Remove any interactive elements. Add bridge pages for data collection. Clean up your marketing claims. Step 3, republish. Upload the corrected version as a new book. This gives you a fresh start. The algorithm treats it as a completely new submission. Your previous block doesn't carry over. However, use this only after the email strategy fails. Why? Because republishing means you lose your reviews, rankings, and sales history. That's a significant cost. So always try the diplomatic approach first. Here's the final diagnostic if repeated republishing fails. Is your account flagged?